Welcome to Rab Ventures Media. In this short tutorial, we will see how to search and download birth certificates online. Please note that this tutorial scope is limited to the births registered in Kerala. In your browser, visit the following URL. The link is also given in the description. Click on the certificate search option given on the page. At the next screen, select your district, local body type, and the local body itself. Once you select the correct options, click on the Submit button below. You will arrive at the record screen. On the left, you will see the list of registration of birth based on the year. Please note that the screen also contains the list for the registration of death and marriages. Make sure to choose the correct list to yield results. Scroll and select the year of birth. This will take you to the birth of registration search screen. Only the fields marked with a red asterisk symbol is mandatory. The search may yield better results if you enter the first 3 letters of the name in the mother's name field. For the word verification field, please enter the text exactly displayed on the screen as the CAPTCHA letters are case sensitive. Click on the search button below to display the results. Click on the view link corresponding to the name of the person. This will open a pop-up window with the birth registration details. You may print or download the certificate by clicking on the print button below. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe to our channel for more useful videos and resources.